Hi friends! Every step I'm going to share with you comes directly from technicians who work every day at this highly experienced appliance repair shop. So let's get this fixed. At first, when your air conditioner shows the F3 code, it's alerting you to a problem with the temperature sensor or the unit's internal communication, and as a safety measure, it may stop the cooling or heating cycle. Some clients tell us, "I turned on the AC and F3 appeared and nothing worked," while others say, "I restarted it several times, but the error kept coming back." This indicates that the system detected a fault and shut down to protect the components before any damage occurred. At the same time, many clients notice that before the error appears, the air conditioner behaves irregularly. The fan changes speed on its own, it doesn't cool evenly, or it shuts off unexpectedly. One client said, "Suddenly the air started blowing warm and then F3 appeared on the display." This confirms that the issue is usually related to the sensor signal or the unit's internal communication. From a technical perspective, the F3 code is often linked to a faulty temperature sensor, loose wires, dirty connectors, or the main control board that regulates the unit's operation. One technician told me, "If the sensor signal goes out of range or the internal communication fails, the board shuts down the system and shows F3 to protect the compressor." Even Electrolux acknowledges that this error can appear due to a damaged sensor or loose wires. Likewise, sometimes the simplest problems are the culprits. In many cases, clients bring in their AC units and we find loose connectors, corroded wires, or dirt accumulated on the sensor, which cause incorrect readings and trigger the code. Cleaning and securing these connections usually solves the problem quickly, and clients are often surprised at how easy it was. Still, the F3 error can also happen because the sensor is damaged or the control board has a temporary fault. In the shop, we've seen that replacing the sensor or securing the connectors restores the AC to normal operation. One client said, "I thought it was broken, but we replaced the sensor and it worked perfectly again," showing that you often don't need to replace the entire unit. Finally, we also recommend checking the power supply and the full installation, because if there are fluctuations, interference, or brief outages, the system can lock up and display the F3 code. Some clients comment, "It kept shutting off and then F3 appeared until we checked the electrical installation," and adjusting the setup usually prevents the error from coming back.